Well, today I have come up with the summary of the topic, the fun they had. It is based on the book Beehive for class 9th. So this is the very first chapter, although it is also included in class 8 book, and you must have studied in class 8. Then also I am going to repeat the same story because this is the first chapter of the book Beehive. So let me summarize the story. The name of the story is The Fun They Had. The fun they had. Who were having the fun? It is based upon that. It is all based on the students, and as we know, it all started with a girl whose name was Margie. She was 11 years old and she had a brother. His name was Tommy. He was 13 years old. So she wrote in her diary, and the date was mentioned as 21st May 2157. It means it is a science fiction. Why it is a science fiction? Because it is futuristic in nature. That has not happened, and it has been calculated by the author Isaac Asimov that after 150 years or more than that, this sort of thing is going to happen. This sort of thing, what sort of thing is going to happen? So Margie mentioned in her diary, what she mentioned, that Tommy found a real book. So what do you mean by the real book? The real book means the book of paper. Book of paper. They were astonished to find. Why? Because in the diary she mentioned about the year 2157. At that time they were not having any paper book. What they were having? They were having telebook or e-book. Telebook or e-book. The way we use the computers. So they used to study through computers, not through the paper book that we are having right now. So she saw Tommy was going through that book. She came there and she said, what is this? He said, it is a book. So it is a book? How can you say that it is a good book, or what sort of book it is? He said it is paper book, and they started to laugh. Why? Because the papers were yellow and crinkly. They were yellow and crinkly, means wrinkled. And Tommy considered it as a waste. He said after going through it, we should throw it. And why? They said, you see, it is a funny book. It is a funny book because after going once, again when they open up the page number 10, they find the same thing written over there. But in the computers or in the e-book or in the telebook, what we see, the pages scroll up and down. And here they exactly get the same word. So Tommy said it is a waste. After going through it, we will throw it away. Margie was also of the same view, but she was interested. She said, what is written in it? Tommy said about school. She said, my gosh, is there anything funny or is there anything good about school? Why? Because Margie hated her school. She hated her school. Why? Then Tommy said, no dear, that school is not like ours. Like they were taught by the mechanical teachers. They were taught by the mechanical teachers, whereas the school that has been mentioned here the students were taught not like that. They were taught in a different way. And he said in the school there was a human teacher. Margie was astonished. She was surprised. Human teacher, how can a human teacher teach? He said, no, haven't you heard these books are of the age of our grandfather's grandfather. They used to study, and I know that even the human teachers, they can compete with, they have got a lot of knowledge and they can compete with the mechanical teachers. She was surprised and she thought that yes, I will go through this book, what is written in it and what was it. She came to know from Tommy, because Tommy found it from the attic. attic room. He found it from the attic room, and he said it is about the school. A school is a building. It is a building where the children of the neighborhood, they gather over there. They are taught by human teachers. They sit together, they eat together, they discuss their problem together, they shout there, they do each and everything there, and even while at the time of dispersal, they are given the homework and which they can share with one another. So it was quite strange for Margie, and Margie hated her school. She hated her school means she hated the way she was being taught by the mechanical teacher. She hated it very much. Why? Because her geography teacher was giving her test after test, and she was performing worse and worse. So that's why, that was the reason. Tommy and Margie's mother, she was very caring, she was very careful, and she was also very much flabbergasted by the thought that her daughter was not doing well. Her daughter was not doing well in her studies. Why she was not doing well in her studies? That was a matter of concern for their mother. She went to the county inspector. The county inspector was a red-faced, round-formed person. He saw Margie. He appreciated her, and he even gave her an apple. And what he did, he started to repair the mechanical teacher. It was taken apart, all the machines were taken apart, and she thought that now the county inspector won't be able to adjust all the things at the proper places, and she was very happy that now her classes would be suspended, the way once happened with Tommy. His history sector went blank, and for that Tommy haven't had to study for a long time. She also thought that, but to her utter dismay, what happened? The county inspector was successful in doing that, and he said that Margie was not to be blamed because it was, the sector, the geography sector, it increased a bit too high. So that was the reason. Okay, then she came home, and when they were going through the book, she got a call from mother. She said, Margie school. Margie school. It means, what was that? Margie had to attend her school. And you know what sort of school she was having? Her school was just adjacent to her bedroom, next to her bedroom. She had to go there, and there was a particular time when they had to go over there. There was a particular time, because her mother used to feel that if the children are taught at proper time, then they can study well. As we often see in our school, what we see, there is a time period allotted for each and every period. Exactly in the same way her mother used to feel. She went to the school, and the teacher was going through proper fraction. He started to teach the proper fraction, and before teaching he asked for the homework. There was a proper slot. In that slot she had to put her homework, and within a second the answer was published. So she was very much troubled. That was also a part of thing which she hated very much. The thing that she hated most was the slot where she had to put her test work or her homework. That was it. And the teacher started, without having any sort of feeling, the mechanical teacher started to teach her proper fraction. She was not at all interested in it, because she was nostalgic about the school where students like you people go to attend and enjoy very much. So she started to think about that school. She was very much nostalgic about it, and she didn't pay heed to the teaching of the mechanical teacher, whom we know, even if they have got a lot of knowledge, but they are feelingless. They haven't have got any feeling for the students the way the human teachers have. now. So today we have summarized the chapter, the fun they had, and tomorrow we will discuss about the topic along with the question and answers and the highlight of the chapter. So I think this much is enough for the day. We will see tomorrow. Have a good day. Thank you. Jai Hind.